There's no light in here. It's burn time, but this is the elevator. It's a manual Otis, or not manual, but I'll show you what it is in a second. It's not exactly continuous pressure, but it is, but it's not. So close the door. Oh. All right, we'll close the gate. Listen to this motor. So basically, there is floor buttons, but you hold the button down for the floor you want to go to, and it goes until it gets to that floor when it stops. But you have to hold it down the whole time you're going to that floor. So stop. See that? I don't know actually. I don't want to test it, you know. I don't want to try my luck. Let's see if we can get that counterweight. I believe you get a counterweight will be right here. Okay, I don't know actually. I think there's more than 3 floors in this thing. Yeah, this place is, wait, no. Yeah, I don't know what. Okay, so I stand corrected. This actually is continuous pressure. I don't know what this is. So I think B. Yeah, it looks like they have a normal COP. Yikes. This thing's old and rickety. Original controller and everything. We're gonna level it up. Okay, level button. All right. That's it. I don't want to spend too much time on it because it's old, and I don't want to fuck with it too much because it's just, you know, it's old. Gotta treat it nicely and carefully, like we do with all antique things. Where's the gate? Oh, there it is. All right, that is it. So check this out. Look at this. That's the car top right there. So if we climb up this ladder, check this out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Look at this machine. Oh my god. It's overhead winding drum. No way. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my god. There's the machine. I'm trying to get it. There's a controller right there. Holy shit. Whoa. It's overhead winding drum. I'm sorry for the bad video quality. It's just, I'm trying to, it's a very cramped space here. Look at this.